Hi, it's Paul from HEYNER UK. Today gonna change wiper blades on this very popular VW Polo. That's the model produced between 2009 and 2017. This model takes wiper blade size 24 on the driver side and 16 on the passenger side. First we're gonna remove the driver side wiper blade. All you need to do is just press this button and push wiper through. Then you need to play a little bit, and then we're gonna put that down. Please always protect your windscreen, so put something under the wiper arm. Now I'm gonna take off the 24-inch wiper blade. That's HEYNER Hybrid. Inside you will find a hook cover. We won't need that. All we need to fit this wiper blades is slim top adapters. Looks like that. You should get that with the wiper blade from your dealer. We will need one for this side, and all we need to do is just fit that adapter on the wiper arm first, and then attach to the wiper blade. So before I do that, I'll show you. It fits here, and then you will hit click. But first we need to fit that on the wiper arm. So all we need to do is just lift that slightly, put that on, make sure it's secure, and now I'm gonna attach it. Here, click, and now I'll remove red plastic cover. Okay, now we're gonna do the same on the passenger side. So again, press the button, take off the wiper, secure the screen, and we're gonna take out the 16-inch long wiper blade. There's a few adapters in for hook wiper arm. We won't need that. Yeah, before you fit, remember to, this wiper blade has a HEYNER logo on one side. This one is clear, so make sure the HEYNER logo is visible from the inside of the vehicle. So again, we're gonna attach the adapter first, and then wiper blade to adapter. Now remove the protective cover, and wiper blades are ready to operate. Thank you for watching. Please give us a like if that helps you to change your wiper blade on your Polo. Thank you.